Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Say welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Talk there. Say my name is Good morning everyone. It is 9:30 in the morning and nandito si mami niyo sa sasakyan. Today is the day na idadrop natin yung ating sasakyan. We're saying goodbye to our car. Dadalhin natin yung sasakyan natin dito sa place kung saan i-repair nila. So kung naalala nyo, May 21st ay na-involve tayo sa isang car crash kung saan merong nakabunggo sa likuran ng ating sasakyan. So I know it's been 2 months since nangyari yun. And then schedule kasi yan guys. And then since yung sasakyan naman natin ay drivable, hindi naman siya silang-sila talaga, cosmetic lang. So okay lang sa amin na medyo matagalan. So today is the day na iiwan natin yung sasakyan dito. Kakapark ko lang dito sa labas guys. And I'm a bit sad because the repair will take 2 weeks, sabi nila. So 2 weeks, we'll never know. Baka matagalan pa like the other time. Last time it took a month. So yeah, we have to bid goodbye for now. It's not goodbye guys, it's see you later for our car. So wala yung dalawang kids dito. Iniwan ko sila kay Daddy Mike kasi wala na yung car seats sa likuran. Kaninang umaga, maagang gumising si Daddy Mike. He took out the car seats kasi yung insurance ng babae na nakabangga ng sasakyan natin, sila yung nag-cover ng repair and also provide din sila ng car rental. So pagkatapos dito, I will catch an Uber to Fortitude Valley kasi doon yung car rental to pick up our new car. So I have no idea kung anong klaseng sasakyan, kung SUV ba katulad ng sasakyan natin or sedan lang yung maliit lang. But either way, I'm just very happy that we have car rental kasi meron tayong magagamit na sasakyan. I'm gonna go now kasi alam niyo ba, si Daddy Mike ay mag-work pa at siya yung nag-aalaga sa mga kiddos at the moment. So, you know, we have to be quick. So, I will see you again later.
A few moments later.
Thank you so much. Where's Celine? Huh? She's sleeping?
How long did I say for the car?
Huh? 5th of August.
And the other one, the rental?
I haven't called them. Change plans tayo guys. So, dito na ako sa bahay. I caught the Uber from another repair place. Papunta dito ng bahay. So, initially, yung plano sana is papunta ng Fortitude Valley to pick up the car. Kaya lang, tumawag si Daddy Mike sa akin pagkarating ko doon na, guess what? Dinala ko pala yung house keys. So, alam niyo ba, anak, I took this na. Where's the code? Can you hold that one for a second? So, si Daddy Mike at yung mga kids ay lumabas din. So, they went out to grab some coffee and something for breakfast. Hindi sila makapasok ng bahay. At kailangan na ni Daddy Mike mag-start ng work. So, instead na pick upin yung sasakyan ay umuwi na lang ako. So, ayun, binigay ko na kay Daddy Mike yung keys. Ngayon, ay, nak, good morning sa iyo, nak, babe. Come here, babe. Hey! So, hindi mo na natin pipick upin. Hello, say good morning.
Mama!
Good morning, tita, tita.
Mama! It's wet here.
What? Your bum? From what?
Like the wings.
You did the wee-wees?
No, there.
Okay, I thought you wee-wees on your pants. Start na si Daddy Mike ng kanyang work, guys. Pumasok na kaagad, diretso-diretso. So, ito pala, I took it out from the car kasi kailangan natin to sa bagong sasakyan. Our baby Celine is sleeping. Aww, my little girl. Tingnan niyo. So, i-walking ko to sila, guys. While tulog pa ang ating baby Celine. Oh my God, nasusuka ako. Hindi kasi ako sanay na maging pasahero, guys. I always drive. Kaya every time na naging pasahero ako, pag sa likod ako sumasakay, kahit sa harapan, nasusuka ako, nahihilo ako. Dati Paris ay pumasok sa taas. Nagbihis muna. By dumating na parcel. This is from Karen. Galing sa kanilang lola. Ma'am Karen, thank you for this. Alam ko, tinawagan niya ako the other day. Sabi niya, may papadala daw siya for the kids. Kasi may nakita daw siya sa shops. Nagustuhan niya para sa mga bata. She's very sweet. Thank you, Mom. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman. Unbox natin. Yeah. Bihis lang. What is that? Ayun. Nakabalik na. Guess where this from?
Right?
Yes. Well done. Alam niya, guys, kung wala Karen daw.
Wow.
So this one, pants.
Mama!
Yes, anak. Thanks, anak. Tinala pa talaga. Tingnan nyo, guys, pinadalhan pa talaga ako ng... Yeah, Ma'am Karen ng 20. Hi, Jovi. Encloses 20 for postage to cover the clothes you kindly posted to me. Love, Mom. I didn't have to. Sabi ko sa kanya, don't worry about it kasi may naiwan siyang mga damit dito last time. Yes, my love.
Can I play with it?
Of course. Tapos, sinend ko sa kanya. So, don't worry about it, Ma'am. Ayun. Sinend niya pa rin yung $20. So, that's for the... Ito, lovely. Anak, have a look, nak. Top for Paris.
Aww.
You like it? And then... Uy. This one for Paris. Super cute. And then another one. Ang ganda naman ito, uy. Velvet. Tingnan nyo sa collar niya, oh. May kinang-kinang dress for Paris. Oh, that's super nice. Thank you, Mom. Anak, uy, come here, say thank you, Lula. Say thank you, Lula. Kailangan natin ng ano na. Tulog pa rin si baby Celine, guys. Alam nyo ba? Kailangan nang i-change ng nappy nito. So, I'm just gonna grab nappy upstairs. I-change natin mamaya straight away pag nagising yan siya. I'm just gonna go get something to eat as well kasi that's probably the reason why I'm feeling dizzy. Hindi ako buntis, guys, ha? Meron nga akong bisita today, eh. Disclaimer. That's right.
Silly, Daddy.
Daddy is silly. You always put the shoes the other way around.
Silly.
Daddy is silly. Good girl. Let's just put this upstairs now, huh? What was that? Uy! Did you throw that away there?
No, playing.
You're playing. Okay. Time check tayo, guys. It's 10:47 in the morning. Nag-order ako ng pagkain from the Japanese place dyan. So I got Paris this sushi, chicken and avocado sushi. I'm not sure if it's gonna... Are you gonna have it? Later, pero hindi pala. And then, umorder ako ng teriyaki chicken. Gutom na gutom ako, guys. Grabe. So, wala pa. Nagkape lang ako kanina pag kagaling ko early before ko dinap yung ating car. And I can't wait for my food. So for now, try kong tawagan yung car rental company. Just letting them know that I won't be able to pick up the car today. Kung okay lang ba na Wednesday. Kasi sabi ni Daddy Mike, try mo sabihin na Wednesday. Kasi Wednesday is Daddy Mike's birthday at wala siyang work. In your face? Would you like to try this one, huh? This is peach flavored drink with Nata de Coke.
I don't like it.
Have you tried?
I tried.
So yum. May Nata de Coco. Try natin silang tawagan, guys. Kasi kung ano yung... Thank you so much.
I got a big piece. Look, I got a big
Teriyaki chicken, yum.
That's really yummy. I first started drinking, it was so pretty yummy.
Sing na ang ating baby girl. Say hello to Tita Nak. Oh,
Hello.
hello, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Ginang tama. Anak. Hello, na. Yung pinapakain ko na rin. I'm still waiting for the nasumagot. Kanina pa. Yummy. Yum. Wala. Mainit pa ba? Wala, a little bit. Sorry na. Took the kids to park. The little one is there, see? Kamang pa more. So beautiful day today. Tingnan nyo, naka-shorts lang, oh. And it's winter in Brisbane. Super lovely. Where are you going, Lynn? Josh, where are you going? This is not, ano naman guys, sharp. Hindi ito yung katulad sa Melbourne na ano sa kanilang park na ano ba? Oh! Hi!
Hi, I'll be right here.
Okay, my love. Do you wanna slide, Nak? Ling? Ito ay nakagapos, oh. Something happened here. It's interesting na. Oh? Mukhang nasunog ba? This playground is closed for maintenance. Ito lang. Yeah. I'm wondering how that happened. Are you going to slide, anak? Mag-slide ka, Nak? Are you going to slide down? Careful, ha? Say it.
Like, can you move
If you wanna come down.
Can you move Celine? Because I'm gonna slide on her and her. He's standing up.
Have a look at her mouth. Hala, bulingitan ni mo na. Oh, you look like a witch. You do.
I like looking like a witch.
Excuse me, Lini girl, because Ate Paris is coming down.
My sister, excuse me.
Hang on, I will move her. Just give me a second. She's like, sabi ni Paris, she's not excusing. Dinosaur. Dinosaur, Lini. Hi. Kik, 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 kik. Hindi nadalhan ng kanyang hair clip. Oh, put this, oh. Kasi sila man ng kanilang daddy kanina ang lumabas. Kaninang umaga.
Mine, it's not locked. It has to be more locked.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Paspas na kay bata ang magkuan, oh. Kamang.
I'm gonna try to this one. This is really easy.
Okay, show me. Walang ibang kids dito.
First you hold it, the rope, push up into the steps. This is a little tricky.
And you don't have the right shoes for it, my love.
Hmm?
You don't have the right shoes for it. Yung isa. Maning kamot ang isa. Lynn! Lini!
That's it.
Good job, ate.
So, to come out, you need to hold the rope
Mm-hmm.
and put your leg in these.
Okay.
That's how you do it. By the way, the finger, mommy can do it. What?
Oh, your teeth knocks blue.
Hey,
Well done, Lini!
I see the light.
Blue.
Blue is my favorite color.
Blue is your favorite color.
I like light blue the best.
Airplane. Can you see it, guys?
Now come watch me.
Okay. Don't put it in the mouth, anak ha. Celine? Celine, don't put in the mouth, okay, my love.
Can I move slowly, please?
She's not there anymore. Buang mo yan.
This will be fun. Oh, wee!
Whew. You okay?
That was really fast.
Nakbing water, nakbi, kasi your teeth, nakbi. You look like a Corella. Facing that way now. See, you can see the mirror as well. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Celine. Woo! Whoop! Okay, finished. Oh, so heavy. Oh boy.
A few moments later.
We're home. Wala na naman dito sa Ate Paris natin kasi nung pagka-uwi namin dito sa bahay, si Daddy Mike ay paalis din for his lunch break. So yun, sumama na naman sa kanyang tatay kahit na nung pauwi kami, sabi niya, ang sakit-sakit na daw ng paa niya. Pero doon din naman, naglakad din naman kasama ng tatay niya. Come, Lini girl! Shh! So after namin pumunta kanina ng park, pumunta kami dito sa malapit na op shop sa amin. Okay ba? So, ito yung na bet namin doon. Si Ate Paris ay kumuha nito. Keep her, tootsies warm. $3. Maganda to siya sa gabi. Especially kahit dito sa loob ng bahay lang, kasi maginaw yung tiles. Perfect. And then, another one is this. 3-pack baby vests. Ano lang, yung pang-ilalim ba ni Celine. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to siya, guys. $1 lang ata ito. Tingnan niyo naman. O, diba? Pang-ilalim ba? Brand new pa to siya. Kala nyo lang, ha? Yung op shop dito, hindi lahat, second hand. Sila, alam niyo yung mga seconds from mga kumpanya na dinodonate kapag may issue konti or out of style. And then, ito, very, very cute. Sobrang nagustuhan ko talaga. Goodness. Tingnan nyo! For baby Celine. And, see, meron pa siyang tag. Sabi dito, RRP, $34. $34 for this. And I think I got this for $2 lang ata. Now, Celine, have a look. Do you like this? Oh, ay, Josh! What's going on? Nagsalam-salong. Nagsasalong bataan eh. Another one is, ayan, this one has got butterflies, bunny, bear, mouse. Meron pang owl. Sobrang cute ng prints, guys. Nag-heart-heart ang aking mata nung nakita ko. Ayan, $2 lang ata din. Hi, hala nak, imong sipon lak ba? Imong ilong bitaw nak, nagtulog lagi imong sipon nak. Wipe before you look at the camera. Tingnan, ginaganyan niya yung kanyang mukha sa camera, Ha? Okay, beautiful ra ba na ang sipon nagtulo? Okay? Say hi, oh. Ba. Hi, everyone! Introduce yourself. Say, I'm Celine, Ray. Oh, no. Where would you like to go? Sige, come on. Okay, hang on. Tingnan nyo, naka-ano pa yan siya, naka-dress. Ay, girl, lalo, mangkay ka na. Oh, my morena girl. Oy, my morena girl. My morena. And then, next one is, again, meron na naman siyang tag. Bagong-bago. Tingnan nyo, oh, puting-puti, oh, parang nilabhan ng tide. Anak, saan na kasi? I'll show tita na. Tingnan, naka-hairpin pa yun ang ating baby girl. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Beautiful. Nak, move a little bit na ka. Hang on, nak. Wala, hindi talaga mabalik talaga siya, guys, oh. Big girl. This one is very beautiful as well. Dress na may mesh, parang net. Tapos, cherry yung kanyang, naka-embroid talaga yan siya. Hindi yan siya naka-print lang dyan. Oh, careful, baba. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sobrang cute. Oh my God, I can't wait for Celine to wear this one. Labanin mama agad to, nak, para masuot mo na. Yeah, this is your size. And this one, I'll try this one ako. Sa Ate Paris pala yung nakakita nito. Sabi niya, let's get this one for Celine, mommy. $2 to siya, $2. Oh, wow. This is so cute. We'll try na ba. Ala, kasya talaga to sa buhok. Ulo mo, nak, oh. Wow, beautiful girl. Mungkay na, oy. Have a look here. Have a look. Oh, beautiful. Have a look at headband. What? Ignong babae jud ba? Sit down here, babe. This one. And then the last one is for mommy. Meron tayong shorts. Denim shorts from Forever 21 Los Angeles. I think this is big. Nagustuhan ko talaga yung wash niya eh. Tingnan nyo, may pa butas-butas. Yan yung mga type ko. Tapos, gusto ko yung ano tawag sa botonis na to? Button fly ba ito? Yung ganyan ba? Hindi siya zipper. Kasi, pag ganyan, kasi napupush yung bilbil ni mami nyo. So, hindi siya masyadong nag-show up. Kumpara doon sa zip. Ganun lang. Yung zipper. I like this better. Try ko nga ito. See if this fits me. Okay, you wanna talk to tita and tito? Yeah. Move here a little bit. And then you can talk, okay? Say, baby, take it off. Say, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel.
I get it.
Say, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Talk there. Say, my name is... Say, my name is Celine Ray. Ay, sus. Where are you going? Tignan yung mukha ni Baby Celine, guys. O, meron siyang ganito. Tignan nyo, oh. Uy, sorry, anak. Ginawa man yung mamailong. Tuslok noon. Para siyang pula-pula dyan, oh, sa kanyang, may pimples ka na? Ha? Dito lang naman, oh. Sa gilid-gilid. Ayaw, lagyan na. It's charger. Very curious kay kanak, no? Everything that you see, you wanna touch.
Dada.
What is that? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Mingling, can you say Mama? Mama. Mama. It's hot now. Dada.
Mom.
Ate.
Mom.
Ate.
Mama.
Where are you, Lini? Where are you? Dito kami ngayon sa Domino's, guys. Bumibili kami ng pizza. It's 10 minutes wait daw. Ayaw ko na ito siyang ilabas. Dito lang kami sa loob maghihintay. Snacks din siya. Yummy? Iniwan namin yung ate niya sa bahay. Hindi na namin sinama kasi nagreklamo na yun kanina na masakit yung paa. Pumunta kasi kami ng post office. Did you guys the post office? No more. Finito. Finito.
Mama, mama, mama.
Mama, mama.
Mama, 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 mama.
Ito na order namin, guys. What is that? Ayan na, mini yung binili ko. Ayan, 4 slices only. Hawaiian pizza, garlic bread, and thick shakes. Gusto rin mo. You want ham? Yum. Yummy? Late. How much is this one? Hindi ko nga alam kung magkano ang bili ko nito. Basta itong tatlo, $15.70. Alam nyo ba na kapag sa Uber Eats to binili, sobrang mahal. So, let's not pick up. What did you say? What more? Mama? Mama? What are you doing this? What are you doing this, Celine? Ha? Tingnan niyo nag-work ang kanyang tatay. Are you obsessed with your dada? Lini? Hi, are you obsessed with your dada? I'm asking you a question. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah, okay.
Da, da, da. Da, da, woo.
Na, mamaya pa yun matapos si Daddy mo, nak. Late nag-start yung Daddy. Ha? Kawawa naman ng baby, oy. My poor little girl. Huh? Answer the phone for Daddy then. Come na, nak. Shh. Come na, oy. Come. Daddy, I'm busy, oh. Always busy. Always busy!
I'm a sorry girl.
What did you cook?
I'm sorry to Daddy.
What?
Because I was holding a drink and put inside and like made a little mess.
Oh no. Oh no. Nag-bath pala yan siya. Yum.
I love it, the water.
Nag-bath kami kanina kasama si
I
Baby
made
Celine.
bubbles.
You did. Tulig na nga itong
I
Baby
like
Celine,
bubbles,
guys.
do I?
Do you? You love your bath?
Me.
Hindi ka nasuot ng kanyang tatay, oh.
I was underwater.
Do you love your clothes, your dress?
Yes.
Tigwang ka, naungnak na, naungnak, oh. Smile ba? Smile like beautiful girl smile.
I want
Tingnan
you
niyo
to
itong dalawa guys.
learn, you know.
I can do it already.
Kakaakyat lang yan nila. Nag-gym sila sa garage.
I can do it already.
Tingnan yung pinapanood ng tatay niya. Oh.
Do it already.
Do it again. Watch. You watch again. Look.
Oh, gustong turuan ng tatay niya ng cartwheel. You learning, Paris? She knows the somersault and all that now.
I could do that.
Yeah?
I can do that. I can do a cartwheel now.
Good girl.
I can do it now.
Good job. How was your gym with Daddy downstairs?
I want to do a cartwheel now again.
A what?
I want to do a cartwheel now.
Look like that one.
Alam niyo ba gusto ng tatay nito na i-enroll sa gymnasium.
Do you think that's easy, Bob?
It's not easy. I don't even know how to do it.
Hello.
Cartwheel, I don't know. I don't have the talent.
Ma, just first you put one hand
See?
and
Okay.
put two legs and push out and put your hand and just stand up.
Ah, okay. Alright then.
That's how we do it.
You think it looks that easy?
So
Or?
I think.
Sige, go. Mami, tingnan natin siya. Oh, wow.
I did it.
Good job. More. Uy.
Again.
Again. Go, Paris. Go. Hindi, properly na. Just do the somersault din. Gusto niya talaga, guys. Katulog mo, Parisya. Tignan niyo, lagat pa ang mata. Like, oh, you have school tomorrow. You have to wake up early. Oh.
But I love sleeping.
I know, that's why you should go to sleep now, because you love sleeping.
I don't.
Say good night na, tita.
I don't like sleeping.
Good night na sa tita.
I don't like sleeping.
Namin niyo ay haggard dober sauce. Wala pa rin suklay ng buhok na. Yung mama bitaw na kay.
Oh, look at my hair.
Dili may friend sa comb.
Look at my hair.
Dili may friend sa hair.
My hair's a bows.
Hmm?
My hair's a bows.
It looks cute. You look beautiful. Go sleep na.
Mommy.
Sleep. Alam niyo ba guys, itong bata na to ay very worried siya. What are you worried about, honey girl?
Daddy dies.
Huh?
Daddy dies.
Kasi itong tatay niya guys, buong-buong yung tatay niya. One night, umuwi from work. Tapos sabi niya na ano daw siya kasi gusto niyang magpamasahe ng kanyang paa. So ito siya, hindi man pinapansin. So sabi ng kanyang tatay, pag hindi mo ako minasahe kay maano daw siya, maday daw siya. Kaya ito siya, diretso siya na minasahe yung paa ng tatay niya. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike, it's not a good joke. Kasi tingnan nyo ngayon, iniisip niya palagi. The other morning, pagkagising niya, hinanap niya kaagad yung tatay niya. Sabi niya, is Daddy still alive? It's okay. Daddy was just tricking you, honey. Okay? Okay, we'll go to sleep now.
Look.
We'll go to sleep now.
Welcome back to our channel.
Do you miss our car?
Yes. Okay.
We'll have our car hopefully first week of August. Yun na. It's 30. Hence 30. But yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can,
Careful, bye.
bye guys. Mwah.
No.